Hi there, students. To bludgeon. A bludgeon. So to bludgeon is to hit somebody hard and repeatedly with a heavy weapon. The burglar bludgeoned the householder to death. But notice, a bludgeon, it's a blunt weapon, it's not sharp. Yeah, it's a big stick, a club that's thick at one end. Yeah, and you use it to hit someone with. That is to bludgeon. But a bludgeon doesn't cut. Therefore, as a verb, to bludgeon, to hit somebody hard and repeatedly. You can also use it metaphorically to force somebody to do something by metaphorically hitting them again and again and again. The managers of the company bludgeoned the staff into agreeing to the changes. Yeah, so they made their lives very, very, very difficult. Yeah, so to bludgeon, to bully or overcome someone by aggressive argument, mental bludgeoning. He bludgeoned me with facts and theories, or so-called facts and theories, until I just gave in. I couldn't take it anymore. So, to bludgeon, to hit again and again physically. A businessman was found bludgeoned to death. But then to bully, to coerce, to hector, yeah, to browbeat. His non-stop aggression bludgeons you into seeing his point of view. Okay, so to bludgeon somebody into doing something, to pressurize or coerce again and again and again. And then you can also use a bludgeon, meaning something that is not very elegant, yeah? So maybe in comedy nowadays, the bludgeon has replaced the scalpel. The scalpel is a knife as a surgeon uses. So a bludgeon, something that may be very effective but unsuitable in the circumstances. Yeah. You could have just asked him nicely to stop doing it. And he would have stopped. But kicking him, well, it certainly stopped him from doing it. But that's using a bludgeon where something more subtle and lighter might have been much more suitable. Okay, so a bludgeon, to bludgeon. Notice as well, to bludgeon, a regular verb. He bludgeoned his enemy with the butt of his rifle. He has bludgeoned he has bludgeoned me into doing this because he just won't stop going on and on and on about it. And then next question, how formal? I think it sounds a little bit literary. I'd probably give it something like a 5.5. I think you could use it anywhere, but it's a little fraction on the formal side. Okay, so, and then the origin. Well, perhaps it comes from Cornwall, from the Cornish language. There used to be a word blogon, which was talking about a large stick, or maybe from French, a diminutive of bouge, a stick or a club. Okay, so a bludgeon, a short, heavy club, yeah, used to smash things. He smashed the radio with a bludgeon. A baseball bat is a bludgeon. Their favourite method was bludgeoning us with the same old arguments again and again and again. To clobber, to beat, to hit. Yeah? So a bludgeon, a blunt instrument. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Bludgeon.